Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to continue the VRF system theoretical part. So here is the section 2, which is different types of VRF systems. So here you can see there are three types of VRF systems. So first one is the cooling only, and second one is heat pump, and third and last one is heat recovery system. So we have to look these three systems one by one, how it's working, what is the function of this system. Okay, so please be with me and keep watching my video, and if you are still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing, and hit the bell icon as well, so whenever I upload any video you will get the notification of that video. So cooling system only, the first system is cooling system. So this system provide only cooling effect in different zone. Okay, different zones. Fan and dry mode are available for each unit independently. Okay, so in the cooling system only cooling can be provided, there is no heating. Okay, so this is the simple system. Next one is heat pump. So heat pump is all indoor unit can either provide heating or cooling. For the heat pump, that means in the heat pump, if the system is working on this, the system is heat pump type, that means the indoor unit can be used either in cooling or heating, uh, one only at a time. That means when if you want to use in cooling mode, you can use in the cooling mode. If you want to use in heating mode, you can use in heating mode only. So one system can work at a time. So next and last is the heat recovery system. So heat recovery system, in this system you can use the unit simultaneously, the either in heating mode or cooling mode, so both can be worked simultaneously. Heat recovery system provides simultaneous cooling and heating as well as heat recovery, transferring the energy from cooling zones to heating zones, okay, of building with the help of single ODU. So single outdoor unit, you can use the heating and cooling at a time, but simultaneously. Okay, so different types, here you can see the some examples given here. Here is the line diagram for the VRF. Okay, so how it looks like, how the indoor and how is the outdoor, how it is connected with the piping. So this given here. Cooling only, so here is the cooling only. So you can see this is the outdoor and these are the indoors, is connected with the refrigerant pipe. So here is the electronic control valve. All indoor unit will be provided cooling effect for summer only. So all indoor will in the cooling only, all indoor you will be provided. In this only one pipe is connected to from indoor to outdoor. Okay, and here is the heating system. So in this heat pump type, that means there will be four-way reversing valve is available in the outdoor unit. So whenever you want in cooling mode, the valve will be reverse and provide the cooling. If you want to run this machine in heating mode, it will be working in reverse mode. Okay, so heat pump here, the in the cooling mode, all the indoor units will act like evaporator. Okay, and outdoor unit will act like condenser. The fundamental of VRF, the long pipe length will create pressure loss in suction line unless the correct diameter of the pipe is selected. Okay, so long pipe will create the pressure loss in suction line unless the correct diameter of the pipe is selected. Make sure the pipe sizing is done properly for the main header and feeder pipes. Okay, main header and feeder pipes. The maximum allowable vertical distance from outdoor unit to farthest indoor unit should be approximately 50 meter. Okay, so maximum allowable vertical distance from outdoor to farthest indoor unit is should be approximate 50 meter, and the maximum allowable vertical distance between two individual indoors means should be 15 meter. Okay, and overall refrigerant piping length from outdoor to farthest indoor should be approximately 150 meter. It varies based on the different manufacturer. So different manufacturer providing the different data. So overall piping length from outdoor to farthest indoor should be 150 meters. Okay, so here is you can see the examples which is written here is showing here. So you can see this is the actual pipe length, which is 160 meter from outdoor to farthest indoor. Okay, and 90 meter is the pipe length from the first separation tube to the farthest indoor unit. So this is the first separation tube, that means the first branch, and to the farthest indoor unit 90 meter. And 15 meter is the height difference between indoor and between indoor and indoor units, between indoor and indoor unit. So the height difference, that means the ground floor to the first floor, the maximum 15 meter. Okay, height difference. And here is the height difference between outdoor and indoor is maximum 50 meter for the outdoor unit installed below, and indoor unit for the outdoor unit installed below the indoor unit 40 meter maximum. If the outdoor unit is on the top, it should be 50 meter. So the difference between last indoor, the pipe size between the outdoor and last indoor should be 50 meter if the outdoor unit is installed on the roof. If the outdoor unit is installed on the ground, it should be 40 meter only allowed. Okay, so this is the example for the heat recovery system, 3 pipe system. So in this heat recovery there are 3 pipe can be used. You can see the two here is the 2 pipe, and here is the branch separation tube, and from here the 3 pipe is there. So okay, so 3 pipe system is also called 3 pipe system or heat recovery system. In this system, if you want to run the machine in cooling and in heating mode, so it can be run. You can see the one indoor is running in cooling mode, and second one is running in heating mode, and third one is running in cooling mode. So in this you can see here is the 3 pipe, which is liquid and suction and heat pipe. So it is a branch controller. Okay, so in the branch controller it is controlling. So if it is running in cooling mode, the pipe these two branch will be activated, and liquid and suction. If it is running in heating mode, the liquid and heat mode is activated, and this will be off. So it is how it looks like VRF system. So thank you for watching these clips, these videos, and for more please subscribe my channel and Success Engineering Official, and also like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. So please be with me and keep watching my channels to learn the HVAC system. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.